Namaskar, I am Kumar Satyam, founder of Bhurak Technologies Private Limited. So we are into development of computer vision and artificial intelligence based security system for students, which works on facial recognition and all computer vision technologies. So we have modified the system, which is called CMSS, COVID Surveillance System. So the system comprises of multiple modules like IP camera, thermal camera, GPS, LT module and all, hence making it a mobile system which can be installed on vehicles and creating a database of infected by initial screening of elevated temperatures. The system takes temperature of person from 2 to 6 meters and create a database of infected and non-infected, which also contains location and time of recognition. If initial screening shows moderate fever, the person is tagged and the details are sent to authorities for further testing. Here in the picture you can see there are two stages. First is checkpoint and other is reinspection area. So at checkpoint there is 2 to 6 meter of area where a person can be recognized and the initial screening can be done. So the initial screening contains facial recognition and temperature detection, drowsiness detection. If the temperature and drowsiness is detected, then the person is sent for reinspection area for lab testings. So this system eliminates interaction of authorities can be eliminated to take initial screening tests like fever, fatigue and drowsiness. The system helps authorities to take necessary actions like sanitization of suspected area, update other residents and warn them accordingly, geotagging the area and manage them accordingly. As the system also works on GSM LTE band connection, there is no limit of how far the system can get connected to the server. The data provided can help in development of a database where suspect can be barred from entering public places and help stop contamination. So here's an flow chart of system, how the system will work. When a person comes within range of the system, that is 2 to 6 meter, the system will take temperature, time, location and facial record of the suspect. When the initial screening is done, if the temperature is positive, the system will inform administration regarding the suspect and procedural voice instruction will be provided to the suspect. And when the lab test is done, if the results are positive, sanitization of the area, testing of people present there within a span of 12 hours, testing and quarantine of co-residents. If the results are negative, database update of people present. The system can also be connected to a drone, installed in a drone where the system will be fully unmanned and can be operated from a central location. Also provide details of area where people are gathering so the authorities can take corrective actions.